Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a contributor badge from any group or page. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. It's very easy, but you have to go stepwise. So first thing you need to understand that when contributor badge comes, actually when you contribute many things to the particular group, after that you will be able to get that badge. But how to do that? So you have to comment regularly, then you have to post regularly, you have to give reaction regularly, and that's how you can easily contribute to the group. After that a notification will be come to you that you have got a badge, something like that. Then you have to go into that particular notification and you can just easily accept it, whether you are going to show the badge or not, and that's how easily you can do it. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you face any problem or any question regarding this topic, you can comment down below. I will try to solve it. See you.